Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a WXY. I think we're in an ABC of wave Y, which on the shorter time frame should lead to like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave Y. I do think it is eventually going to go up and take out the previous highs, but this is the monthly time frame, so that potentially could take a year or more to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this is the wave A of wave Y. I think this WXY down is the wave B of wave Y. Then this right here is a wave 1. I believe this is a big ABC right here, wave 2. I think we're already in that wave 3, and I think that it will, over the coming weeks and months, continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've definitely been looking for longs for a couple weeks now. Ever since it broke structure to the upside, I definitely have been doing nothing but looking for longs on shorter time frames. Does kind of look like it's kind of topping out a little bit. Based on the higher time frames, I definitely think it's going to keep going up. But it does kind of look like maybe a pullback is due, and then maybe later on it'll just keep on trending up after the pullback. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. I don't think I would really be betting on shorts too much yet because even on the 4 hour time frame we don't have a break of structure, but it definitely does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So I think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to go down. It probably is going to break structure, and then it will probably likely make a correction to the last 5 waves up before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Now the reason why I say I wouldn't bet on it going short because it does not have to make a pullback like that. It could make just a little pullback and just keep on trending up, and especially because this is a wave 3, I believe, on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if price goes down and if it starts breaking structure, especially if it's impulsive, then that definitely could turn you into a seller, especially if you do trade the short time frames, which I definitely don't. But if it does go down, if it does break structure, I think that it more than likely it would probably make another A, B, C correction, like I was explaining on the 4 hour daily time frame. So if it breaks structure and you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, you could definitely try to go short at the end of a wave B. Or if you're more of a swing trader, you could wait for the ABC correction to be over and try to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. This all depends on a break of structure though, because honestly, it doesn't even have to break structure. It could easily just keep on trending up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.